This is one of the most popular wallets in the world. How do I know? 40,000 plus Amazon reviews with an average rating of 4.4 tells me so. But why are millions of people buying this wallet? Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Zitahli Slim Bifold Wallet for men, a popular and affordable choice you've probably seen on Amazon. I'll break down the features, real user experience, and compare it side by side with one of its major competitors, the Exter Modular Bifold. Let's find out which one deserves your pocket space. All right, let's get this wallet out of its packaging. I have to admit the packaging feels really cheap. It's just a cardboard sleeve that covers this half box here. And yeah, the wallet's inside. There was a cheap cloth cover that covered it too that I removed before. In any case, the first impressions of this wallet are good, at least visually. It's got some nice clean lines with no real visual defects that I can detect anyway. I've got the carbon black and orange version here, but this wallet comes with a huge amount of color options, 28 to be exact, at least the last time I checked. According to the Chinese manufacturer of this wallet, it's made with genuine leather. And while it looks sharp, it's important to know that genuine leather is actually a lower grade compared to something like full grain or top grain leathers. So don't expect a luxury feel here. There's a reason this wallet retails for anywhere between $22 and $40. Let's talk about card and cash storage. The Zitahli wallet boasts that it has 12 separate card slots, but according to what I've been seeing, it actually is only 11. It does have these nice 2-quick access pockets on the outside and several more inside. Plus, it has a nice clear ID window. The cash storage is a bit strange in this wallet. It's not really designed to be top loading to fold your bills. There's these two pockets here that are not connected. Instead, what you're left with is this money clip, which is kind of an interesting design and functionality choice. In my use, it's been fine, but I would have almost preferred for this clip to be on the outside of the wallet instead. Like most modern wallets, Zitahli says this wallet includes RFID blocking materials throughout to, of course, protect against electronic pickpocketing. So let's look at the wallet here while it's fully loaded. I still think, even after the wallet has been filled with cards, it boasts a relatively slim profile. Let's talk about a few items related to how this wallet functions in day-to-day life. First, durability. Look, I haven't had this wallet for more than a month, so it's hard to speak from personal experience, but the reviews from other people who have bought and lived with this wallet are kind of a mixed bag. Some people say that it's held up really well, while others blame the relatively cheap leather used throughout on the fact that it's worn out much faster than they expected. Given the low price, I'm not overly surprised that durability might be a bit of an issue with this wallet. As for functionality, yeah, this wallet has an impressive number of card slots, but the leather and spaces are really tight. Even after a few weeks of use, I still find it a bit hard to get my cards out of all the slots, especially the internal ones. The tension on the cash clip is pretty good though, so even though I wish it was on the outside, it performs its function just fine. Okay, let's see how the Zitahli stacks up against the Exter Modular Bifold I recently reviewed on this channel. First, let's look at the size difference. So the Zitahli is definitely a bit bigger, but the Exter is definitely made with a much higher quality premium leather, which is to be expected, given that the Exter is basically 4 times the cost of the Zitahli. Additionally, the Exter features a modular magnetic card holder that can bring down the bulk of what you put in your pocket even more. And as far as carrying capacity, they both hold a similar number of cards and cash. Here's how they compare in bulkiness with the same number of cards and cash bills in each wallet. At around $25 to $40, the Zitahli wallet deserves to be praised for its affordability, especially given its features and capacity. It's a great entry-level choice if you're not ready to drop big bucks on a wallet and just want to carry around an aesthetically pleasing bifold. Now let's talk pros and cons. First, obviously, it's affordable. It has high card and cash carrying capacity. It's very lightweight compared with other wallets of this size. It's available in a ton of different colors. And it's great for those who just want lots of slots and slim look without spending too much. As for the cons, yes, it's definitely a cheaper, lower quality of leather. The money clip, again, I wish it was on the outside. And frankly, this design is actually widely copied across many other Chinese brands that sell on Amazon these days. Okay, so what's the verdict? I guess if you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-capacity wallet with some nice features, yeah, the Zitahli wallet is a solid choice. Just don't expect any sort of luxury materials or even a long lifespan here. If, however, you want a premium feel, modularity, and tech integration options, the extra modular bifold is probably a better investment. All right, that's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this wallet or if you have any questions about these bifolds. And if you want to buy this wallet, I've left a link in the description below. I'd appreciate it if you use that as it helps support the channel and allows me to continue making these reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more honest wallet reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.